No, you go get your
You have 3 seconds to convey it.
3 seconds, nothing.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back now.
It's not mine.
Drop your stuff now. Push your hands.
No! He's filling me up. Y'all understand what I'm saying to you? Ah, Lee, you're fucked. You guys know that the feds are here, right?
You want a lawyer? Huh? You want a lawyer?
On December 20th, 2024, police are called to the city library after the librarian catches two people sleeping in one of the book sections. They're in violation of a trespass when police arrive, and Bodycam captures this.
I'm issuing you a trespass warning from this property, okay? So you remain on the property, you come back to the property for a period of a year, you're subject for arrest for trespass after warning. Do you understand?
I'm gonna call her.
No. They do not want you here, so I'm issuing you a trespass warning.
I've got to get my phone.
Where's your phone?
Inside charge.
Okay, let's go get it. Okay, let's go get it.
Miller.
Let's go get it. You can stay outside.
Can I get your numbers?
Yep, you can wait over there. It's Sergeant Miller, badge 388. You're being issued a trespass warning as well. Because I'm telling you, you're not welcome on the property.
And you knew my name, how?
I don't know your name.
You said Tess.
I didn't say Tess.
That's what you said.
I didn't say anything. I said you've been issued a trespass warning.
Oh, well.
Would you like to identify yourself?
No, hell no.
Okay. You can vacate the property.
I don't answer to you.
Okay. Have you come back to the property for a
I
period of
don't
1 year?
care.
Okay.
Threaten someone else.
Okay. Just, if you see the two of them back on the property, just call us, and they'll be arrested, okay?
I can't even call
If you see the two of them back on the property, just call us. They refuse to identify themselves, so
Okay.
all we can go on. We'll try to work on getting an ID, but if you see them, come back, okay?
I need your information.
Sergeant Miller, badge 388. I need you to vacate the property right now.
I need you to write it down. I am not within. I'm within my rights. And to go and
No.
write down your
You
information.
can go on the sidewalk.
Write down your information.
If you're refusing to leave, you're going to be arrested for trespassing.
I'm not trespassing.
You are trespassing. I just issued you a trespass warning.
That's a warning, and then they're going to freaking. It's got to be signed and everything.
No, it does not.
Yes, it does.
We don't do
I
those.
end up in this area. I'm
We don't
within my rights.
We don't do written.
No, that's a bullshit, and then they're going to haven't done anything wrong.
Vacate the property, you're going to be arrested.
Abuse of power.
Doesn't matter to me.
Abuse of power.
Okay, vacate the property.
Abuse of power.
I want to take that jail time real bad because I don't want that and everything else.
Please vacate
Go
the property.
get information.
Please vacate the property.
Please end up nothing. Go get your information.
When you vacate the property,
It ain't no. You go get your
you have
information.
3 seconds,
I
otherwise you
don't
can
have
be
3 seconds. Nothing.
1,
Abuse of power.
2.
Abuse of power, misconduct.
So you're refusing to vacate the property. Are you refusing to vacate the property?
I haven't done anything wrong.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your
I
back
haven't
now.
done nothing wrong.
Put your hands behind your back.
Stop.
Put your hands behind your back. You're gonna get tased. Put your hands behind your back.
Yeah, trying to fucking tase me over this shit.
You don't want to cooperate.
I'm cooperating.
Do not tense up.
Hey, pull out your camera. Pull out your camera.
If you tense up, you will get tased.
Give me 94.
Perfect. I love this.
Yep. You have anything I gotta poke any seconds down?
Nope.
I'm not asking them questions. I don't need to read a Miranda. I do? Okay.
Don't do their job. Don't do their job.
100, we're done for. Clears that through.
Big facts. Plus, also end up gonna freaking went to end up abuse of power because this is all because I asked for his badge number.
I gave it to you.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
told you to go write it down, and you said end up leave the fucking property.
I said once you vacate the property.
Oh, what? You scared? You nervous? Is there a problem?
Do I look like I'm scared and nervous?
Yes, you're shaking.
Okay. Look away from me.
I ain't gotta do the shit.
Look away from me. Walk in the store. You want to play games? I said look away from me.
I ain't gotta do a damn thing.
Yeah,
hey,
I do.
check that
You do.
camera's right there. All that force.
Yep.
Aggressive force.
All the force. I don't need you spitting in my face. That's why I said
Who
look
tried to
away.
spit in nothing.
I said look
I
away.
got witnesses.
Okay. Look away.
I ain't gotta look nothing.
Yes, you do.
You like how your little actions end up what they do?
I got your stuff.
Get off the property. No.
I'll see you in a day or two.
Do I have,
Don't worry about it.
94 is coming. She can be 10-15. She was just trespassed, came back on the property. She can be 10-15. She just trespassed back onto the property. She was just warned. She picked up his property and walked away. Leave your hand right there. Leave your hand right there.
Turn around.
Hold his arm.
The f is going on with you people?
And with multiple trespass warnings and still remaining on the property, police arrest the woman.
Drop your shit.
It's not mine.
Drop
it's
your
his.
stuff now. Put your hand.
No. What the
fucking
fuck? What the fuck?
Play. Put your hands behind your
Are
back.
y'all shitting me?
Don't fucking play.
Are y'all shitting me?
Put your hand behind your
For what?
Because he told you to.
This is crazy shit. This is crazy. This is crazy. This is crazy. This is crazy. He slammed me on the ground. I want all my stuff. All my stuff. All my stuff. All my stuff. All my stuff.
Okay, you're not going to dictate what goes.
All my stuff. This
We
is my
hear you.
stuff.
I'll get it. We hear you.
And here you are.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, this jacket was given to me by John Trainer.
Don't fucking pull away.
Nicholas Sharelicki, Nero fucking Linker. Y'all are some Scientology.
Stop.
That's
What do you have
what
on
y'all
you?
are.
Do
What?
you have anything on you? Anything that's going to stick me, poke me, or hurt me?
No, there's a bowl in here that John Trainer gave me this jacket.
Shocker.
I know, right? In this one.
In this pocket, there's going to be a bowl?
Yeah, like a
For what?
weed.
Okay.
But it was in the jacket when he gave it to me.
I hear you.
Y'all are in so
Listen,
much trouble.
When I tell you to stop, you
I
can't
was
resist
getting
like
his stuff. But I was getting
away.
his stuff. You slammed me on the ground and the feds are here.
I did slam you.
The feds are here, though. That's what I'm saying to you. The feds are here. Oh, the elite are mad. Mad, mad, mad. Mad. This is crazy. The elites are mad. Mad. Well, now they're not. Oh my God, the elites are mad. Oh, the elites are mad. It's lipstick. I know it is. You're gonna lose your job.
Okay.
You're gonna lose your job. You can't be searching me like this.
I can't.
No, you can't. You have to get a female officer.
I do not.
You do.
Okay,
What
well,
the
I
fuck? You need a female officer to put your hands on me.
I do not.
You do. Do you know what you stand for?
I'm
Nero,
telling
do you
I
know
don't.
what you stand for?
What is Nero?
Oh, the N don't stand for Nero?
No, my name's not Nero.
No, it's Nick Pedigo.
It's not Nick.
Oh, whatever. God, y'all are in so much trouble. Y'all are in so much trouble. He slammed me on the ground, and we've got witness 1, 2, 3. Ah, Lee, you're fucked.
Okay.
Fucked.
Okay.
Y'all are
Widen your stance for me. Widen your stance for me.
what?
Widen your stance.
Why am I saying?
Yes,
You
thank
can't
you.
search me.
I'm searching
A
you.
man officer is searching me. He can't do that. A female officer needs to be the one to do this. He's filling me up. Y'all understand what I'm saying to you? Slammed me on the ground. I just wanted the color. I just wanted a color.
All right, is your car clear? Okay. Walk this way.
That's crazy. Y'all are fucked. You're fucked. You're fucked. Oh, you're fucked.
Have a seat.
You're fucked. Absolutely 100% fucked.
I'll scoot over just a little bit that way so I can get your seatbelt.
So he's going to go for trespass after warning, and then she's going to be the same. The library wanted him gone. They got called the first time. They didn't want to identify themselves. So Volker was dealing with them. They started to vacate the property on their own.
They came back.
Yeah, I guess she called 911 saying that law enforcement was harassing her. Wyatt was parked over on the side. I parked over there. John Trainer was out here with the two of them. They both started to walk off. Whatever, she was running her mouth, came back on the property. That's when I asked Volker if they actually trespassed, and he said no. So as they were walking back on, I was issuing both of them a trespass warning. She said she had property inside the phone and stuff charging, so we walked her back inside. He wanted to run his mouth. Standing here, so I told him to get off the property. He refused, and then so we get her. She gets her stuff, comes out, and then he wanted my badge number and wanted me to write it down. So I told him that he was trespassed, and then he wanted it written. So we don't do written. So I told him to get off the property, and he refused. I gave him multiple opportunities, and
Perfect.
so we went to go hands-on, and he started buffing up. But like I had my taser out. I had the one side. I was just trying to get on the radio, so give me a 94. They both wanted color. I have not gone through his backpack yet. All right. So, do you know who called on them the first time when we were out here? Yep, no problem. It became a bigger headache than it needed to be, but...
Yeah, that's more choices on their part.
Yeah. Hi.
I'm Denise.
So, what were they doing the first time when officers got here? They were in here sleeping?
Yes,
Okay.
inside the library, over on the right-hand side, way
Yeah.
back, just flat out on the floor.
Okay, all right.
You found him.
Oh, yeah, they're both under arrest right now, so...
Oh. He did more than just sleep.
Yeah, he was running his mouth. Could you throw that out for me?
Absolutely.
Yeah, so when we got here, I guess she must have called 911 or something after we left.
Another patron.
No, the female that was in here with him.
Another patron though, not a staff, not a library staff.
No, not a library. No, the lady that was sleeping, the girl that was sleeping back there. It was a male and a female.
They're both sleeping.
Yeah, so she called 911 saying that we were harassing her, so I pulled up out front, saw them out front. That's where I was in the process of issuing a trespass warning. She wanted to come in and get her phone, so we came in and got her phone, went outside. That's when he was refusing to leave the property, so he got arrested, and then she got warned, and then she came back on the property, so she got arrested. So we'll have both their names. Do you guys need or want their names?
To have them.
Okay.
So, but you could just send us an email.
Okay. All right.
We
Yep.
appreciate you.
Anytime, Denise. Yep.
So,
He's gonna want to file a complaint.
Him?
No, him. Because we violated his rights by coming to the library. Gotcha.
Right, you slammed me on the ground.
yes.
My knee is bleeding.
Okay. What is your name?
What do you need it for? We're going to jail, ain't we?
Yes. So either you
I'll
tell
tell
me.
him whenever I go in the bookie.
Perfect. You're gonna go down as Jane Doe.
You know you're gonna lose your job.
Okay.
You don't need to handle me like that.
Holding you.
You're gonna lose your job.
Don't step up. Just stand right there. One your stance.
Get out of my way. Y'all didn't do this to Carol. There's so many witnesses for you, and you're gonna lose your job. You look like my ex-sister-in-law. Jen Lee Ray. Same nose and mouth and everything. Man, I can't wait for you to lose your job. Pull your pension now.
Thanks.
You're welcome. My knee is bleeding, and so is my elbow. From you, literally, and you did camera. There's cameras everywhere. It's just annoying. It's disgusting. I never been in trouble, so you're gonna look stupid with the excessive force that you did across from an attorney's office.
Okay.
You need to get that tattoo covered up too. You don't believe in God with the way you handled me.
Thank you. Is that her property? That's hers? Thank you.
How are you allied universal security when you're the most trustworthy there? The legal stuff.
Because we are subcontract for the sheriff.
So
we are the one.
You guys know that the feds are here, right?
You are a lawyer?
Huh?
You are a lawyer?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're a lawyer. Oh, perfect.
Javier.
Perfect. Just make them play with the sheriff. Just been like that the whole time? Alright, sir. Go ahead and step out for me, okay? Walk this way. Thank you. That was actually funny. It's a good one. Yeah. That was a good one. I'll give her that. Those are charges, right? Yep. Okay. Thank you. Cuesta, horrible. Cuesta. Yeah.
Wait.
That's part of the procedure.
I understand.
Do you have anything in your boots?
No.
Put your inside.
The Fourth Amendment of the Constitution states citizens have the right to know the authority behind a detention, search, or arrest. However, when you're in violation of a trespass and have been warned multiple times, exercising your rights when breaking the law usually won't fly. 34-year-old Damian Brown and his female friend were both arrested and charged with a misdemeanor trespass on property. Florida Statute 81008 states that a person who, without authorization, license, or invitation, is warned to leave and refuses commits the offense, and police officers have every right to arrest that person. Let me know your thoughts down below on who was in the right in this case.